guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're at the shop trying to install some camber plates on a G82 M4. So like a quick overview of the Millway Camber Plates. These are pretty well built, hefty quality. These are the street versions, so if you notice right here, it's actually a polyurethane like plastic sleeving. So it's supposed to, in theory, help with the noise, vibration, harshness of the ride. They also make a track racing version where this is just a full steel monoball. But from what I understand, this is just as good for people who like me, who take it on the track occasionally or autocross. Should be more than enough. If anything, I can always upgrade to the steel ones later. But yeah, you see they even have alignment guides here from 0 to 20 millimeters to help you line it up later down the line. These look really nice.
Yeah, the holes match. Yeah. Okay. This is beautiful. The other ones are very uncomfortable to work. Okay.
Yeah. Supposedly they're supposed to be like really easy to adjust.
Yeah, because the other ones you have to take the whole brace and everything and got the screws on the bracket. This one, it works with the OEM screws.
Exactly,
on the
yeah. So just loosen the 4 OEM screws and adjust it and tighten it again, yeah. 5 in the front and around 2 in the rear. Alright, now that we're back at home, just want to talk about the install process in general. Overall, it was relatively straightforward. It's a little bit more difficult if you have an X-Drive vehicle because you do have to take off the front axle nut just to drop the strut down a little bit to remove the top hats, because the camber plate essentially replaces the top hats. Just a big thing to emphasize is to make sure you torque the axle nut back onto the drive shaft. I believe it's like 210 Newton meters plus like another 90 degrees. That's the biggest thing, because these do produce a lot of power, so you don't want the axle nut to just come loose while you're driving, because that would be a big problem. But if you're rear-wheel drive, then it's not even an issue for you. Overall, really easy to set up. We managed to get around 3 degrees maximum in the front with 0 toe, and we just adjusted the rears to around 1.8 to 1.9 with, I believe, like 1/16 inch of a toe. Should be relatively fine, especially how heavy these cars are when you're taking it into corners and stuff. You'll really be wearing away in the front. I have autocross tomorrow, so hopefully we'll be seeing, maybe it might help with the wear, although these tires I use are pretty shot. You see, like, this is what I had in front for track day. Like, this is pretty much weared. The treads is gone here on the outers, but the inners, there's still quite a lot of tread left. These are the rears, and they're a little bit, the outers are still worn a little bit more than the inners, but a little bit more evenly than the front. So it just goes to show how important it is to like rotate your tires, especially on a heavy vehicle, and to get proper amount of camber in the front. Hopefully 3 should be fine. If I constantly keep them rotated, as well as, we'll see. I know if you lower the car, the camber is more exaggerated, but I'm on stock suspension, stock ride height, so maybe I'll put like some spacers, because that does emphasize the camber a little bit as well. But yeah, overall, in summary, like, camber plates are pretty much as easy as to install as like the people who do lower their car and they replace the springs. There's plenty of tutorials out there if you guys want like a step-by-step instruction. Sure, like pretty much it's the same process as people who lower their cars or lowering springs, except instead of replacing the springs, just replacing the top hat. Simple enough. And yeah, I have a few track days coming up, so I'll test it and maybe I'll make a video on how it performs at track and do we see a more even wear pattern. Definitely not going to take these half. I think pretty sure these RE71 RSs are almost pretty much done, so probably going to finish this track season with just the PS4Ss. Yeah. Alright, really appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.